So I'm up at my favorite spot on the Blue Ridge Parkway with Chakra, my hound, and I'm chopping potatoes on this little table that I bought. I've got it set up in front of the car so I can sit. It's not a tall table and I'm a tall person, so you know, but we're just gonna cut some of these nice little potatoes, and then I've got some collard greens to put in the soup, and then we're gonna cook them up on my little Coleman stove. I got plenty of propane, but I really hope that I got the car fixed, y'all, because we were trial and erroring this thing to death. And it was very scary, really, you know, like not knowing if I was going to get a place to stay. And I'm still not positive, but I have applied for an apartment in town. There's nothing in the country. Nothing, and if there is, it's too expensive. And so the plan, Stan and Fran, is to see if I can get this apartment and make it work and continue to try and save money so that in a year or two I can buy some land and build what I really want. And you know, sometimes you have to make compromises, and that's how it goes. Now, one of the very first health diet regimes that I started learning was macrobiotics, as some of you know. And in macrobiotics, they believe that if you cut the vegetables in different shapes, that it gives different effects. Now ponder on that. Is that possible? Is that likely? Or is that just, for the most part, bull? I would say that if it does do anything, it's probably not significant enough for most people to ever know, feel, etc. But maybe if you become like a really, really sensitive guru, maybe you would be able to tell the difference. Now I've got a purple sweet potato too. And these are really yummy. Let's see how good this one is. This one, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. It feels like it's getting maybe a little bit old. You can tell if they get kind of too dried out and stiff that they're getting too old. Same with people, huh? But they say that there's a lot of antioxidants in anything that has a lot of color like that. And I just love to mix and match and eat a lot of different shapes and colors, because I believe that that is one of the keys, like, to evolving to higher levels, if you know what I mean. Jelly bean. It's funny the things we learn from our parents, huh? People just pulled up and they're wondering who the hell I'm talking to. So there have been some times when things were just down and dark and rainy lately. And I did okay with keeping my head up. I didn't do too bad, although I may have had some really, like, bad crying spells. But I think it got me through, you know. And now that things are kind of looking sunny and Not funny, but a little bit better. I feel pretty good this evening. So, you know, let it rock, let it roll. Let it rock, ooh, let it roll, ooh, let it roll, just let it go. Cool woman, cool eyes, got me hypnotized. So head down, get rhythm, stop your stalling and your bitching. Rock steady, still shaking. I'm ready for the taking, yeah. I know I'm probably shaking the hell out of the camera, huh? Dude, you want some collard green soup?
I'm good, man. It smells delicious, though.
I haven't started cooking it yet.
I smell something.
I'm just cutting it up. It's nice of you to say so anyway. Did you guys hear that? He said it smells delicious. I haven't even started the fucking stove yet. Do you want to be on YouTube? Wait, I'll have to zoom it. What's your name, bro?
Chris, man.
Hey Chris, where are you from?
I'm from Charlotte.
Okay. What do you do?
Huh?
What do you do for fun or for a living or whatever?
I am data scientist for an insurance company.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that fun?
A little bit. Learning a lot. A lot to learn.
Okay. Does it pay well?
Yeah. It pays good.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You got a Honda. Those are good cars.
Yeah, agreed.
Nice view, eh?
You it up?
Okay, I've got some eggplant. I think this is like, is this Japanese eggplant? It's not a typical round eggplant. It's needing to be eaten. As you can see, it's starting to go a little brown on the inside, but it's still good. It's still good. But yeah, I'm just having to come up here because there's no place to park down there. All the land is private and somebody might shoot me if I sleep on their land. Last night I parked at the auto shop, the auto repair shop. Okay. So. See you later. Look at that. Look at the size of that pepper. Isn't that amazing? Just got that at the farmer's market the other day. Oh, thanks everybody that's donated lately. I don't have my computer here with me right now, but a couple of really nice donations. I think Melissa donated. That was really nice. Thank you, and thanks for so much concern, Melissa. You are so sweet, and I am giving you hugs and kisses. Did you guys like that Def Leppard I was singing? It's good, huh? When I was a young man in my high school days in the early 80s, we really loved Def Leppard. After I became a guitar player, I learned how to play some various songs. One called Switch 626. I learned how to play that. That was pretty fun and cool. And we loved albums such as High and Dry and Pyromania and The first one, I can't remember the name of that, but that had a truck, a semi on the front of it. Got her going. Despite the wind. Let it rock, let it roll. Look at what a nice little girl this is. Don't give me no crap, you hound. Oh. I know butt itching, butt itching. Just want some butt itching. Now I thought that can of propane was just about done, but it just keeps going and going and going. See that? Sometimes this is how I feel. Like a single lonely tree. All by itself. No other trees around the tree. Just a single lonely tree. There's a few trees over there. And there's a few trees over here. But in the middle grassy area, there's only one tree. There's a dog. Hey Chakra, come over here. I know, the butt itching, yeah. The butt itching. Okay. We're getting there, y'all. We're getting there. Gotta check the tenderness of the taters. That's how you check. Oh, close, but not yet.